Mary has a little lamb, and...
Oh, he's over.
Do you have a bucket for tips?
I know, but I'm obsessed with it.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
No. Keep going.
We'll do it later. Okay.
Okay, what do we do?
Mary had a little lamb, and... Are you guys ready?
You gonna sing?
There's
Awesome.
That's great.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Second verse.
Where that
I don't know.
Mary went. Just keep playing, and we'll all sing along. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, that place was sure to. I said that
We're gonna...
your boat? You know that?
Huh?
You know Tinkle?
Sing your next song, Zoe. Stop taking requests and just sing and stay on sing.
Sorry.
We're gonna go to, Jingle Bells! We're going to go to that one. That's the last song. We're gonna go to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Woo!
So,
What's your story about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Do you have a little story to go with this track?
me and my mom, we worked on it and we...
This is not the story I was going for.
Oh, I sang Will, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star every night that he was in April's belly.
She did.
And then,
When he was born,
I sang Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and he was quiet.
he stopped crying.
oh, Will.
I like that story.
So he was never quiet again.
Okay,
Twinkle, twinkle.
Here we go!
Twinkle
A
Twinkle.
one, a two, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay, Alice is in the act now too.
We're doing Jingle Bells.
Tis the season.
Tis the season, yeah.
Christmas in July, right here.
Jingle bells any season.
Jingle Bells! Okay, wait, I gotta start, Will.
Never happier than when he's performing, I guess.
Ready?
He's ready, man. Look at him.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.